Huh. Did I put anything else here? I don't see anything. Oh, there we go. Okay, it's coming loose there. Do I? Yeah, I put another one here in the center. And another one over here. Yeah. Okay, I'm looking at... Come on. What's going on? Let's see. Let's back this out a little bit more. This one as well. It's probably in there very good. Huh. Where is this grabbing? I have no idea. Oh. That's where. I actually added 5 screws to this bottom section here. I was like, why is it still resisting? It still has some more screws. Okay, and one more. It should come off now. Yes, okay. So this is our tabletop. It's all nice and pretty and heavy. Bend with your knees. This corner was like this because I was actually going to cut this out of 45 for the chop saw rotation. But that was not to be. Okay, we have to knock this whole thing down. There are some feet on the bottom. You also have to take out. Actually, I have to take these out all the way because there are pocket screws here. This one is not in the way, so we can just take these out. I should identify these. Let me just make a little mark on this. Identify it as front brace, front top bait brace. Just to have something to guide us when we're putting it back on, so we're not like lost trying to find screw holes and all that stuff. Stay in there. And want no loose screws. We'll identify this one as BT, as in back top brace. This one is actually bolted on. Oh, is this? No, it's pocket holes. Ugh, okay. I thought it was glued in. I was like, no. I built this with pocket holes just to make the construction easier. So I was thinking about removing a little bit of the final width, but since it's with the braces are built in with pocket holes, I don't want to change the depth of the screw positioning. Okay, we have to flip it over. Also, I was playing with the little wheels. They're over here. Let me just check something real quick, because if I'm gonna put on wheels at some point, yeah, these legs are way too tall. To put these all the way down, they would take up, I believe, like 5 inches. Hello. Oh, you have. Oh, yes. Thank you for the hydrate. Thank you so much. I need it. What's up? Hello. How's it going, man? Dudette. I am good. Hope you are too. This water bottle is not that cold. Not yet. I just put it in this morning. But thank you for the hydrate, or letting me know who actually. Yeah, you redeemed it. Ah, COVID. Ugh. Such a drag, right? But is it like really bad, or is it manageable? Because I had COVID. It wasn't super bad. I did get like all the vaccines though, but it was still bad. But it wasn't like I was dying or anything like that. But I've known people who were sick for months. My sister-in-law, no, my is it sister-in-law? I believe so. My sister-in-law, I think that's the right word, got COVID, and she still has. I think it just exasperated her asthma. Yeah, cough is annoying. But she used to have mild asthma, but now she's like she can't even work anymore. So they're trying to see if they can get her disability or something, because it's really bad. She's been 6 months with ras with what's it called? She can barely talk. She has her voice is almost gone from all the coughing. It was just insist coughing. It's just it was really bad. Oh yeah, for me it was also like the first day I felt sick. It was like whenever I feel sick, it's like, oh yeah, I'm sick, and it's just really bad. I don't know if it's that I get like really nervous about it or what it is, but I get sick and I'm down, I'm out for the count. It's like I'm throwing up. It could be just a cold, and it makes me super sick. But just like for 24 hours after that, I'm okay. I don't know why. My body just goes into panic mode and starts like purging everything. It's like we don't know what it is. Let's just get rid of everything. I guess it works. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna keep these adjustment feet on, and I'll probably buy taller wheels. Yeah. Yeah, but I don't like just throw up once and oh, I'm better. No, I'm like all night feeling like crap. Then in the morning, I don't feel like I'm dying, but I still feel like crap and not vomiting anymore. But yeah, it's bad. I'm sorry to hear that you have COVID. Hopefully it's short-lived and you'll be back to your normal self in no time. So, I heard about this monkeypox thing, and I have not heard anything else from it. Is that actually a thing, or was it just somebody trolling or something? It's like, oh, there's a new pandemic. There's a new thing somewhere around here. Something about monkeypox. I have no idea what it is. Don't know if it's true. That be one noisy. Ah, they're hot. Ooh. Yeah. I got enough things to worry about. I don't need to let the news media get me all riled up and having me buy more toilet paper. Just in case I was not one of those guys who left the country without toilet paper. That was like the dumbest thing ever. I don't know who thought that they needed so much toilet paper that it was actually going to be a crisis of toilet paper. It's like, I don't know. People don't think for themselves sometimes. It's like, okay. Now we don't have toilet paper. Yeah. We have we're at a drought right now, so okay. Our three braces off. If I had more of this panel, I would probably beef up those braces, and that would help a lot more with the wobble. But I think it's okay. It serves my purposes. Oopsie daisy. Okay, and we could identify this. Why were there 4 screw holes here? That's weird. That'd be a lot of screw holes.